Assalamu alaikum. Uh, Today we have to discuss about solar construction. So, first of all, we have to discuss about what is solar cell. So, solar cell, also known as photovoltaic cell or a PV cell, is defined as an electrical device that converts light energy into electrical energy through the photovoltaic effect. A solar cell is basically a PN junction diode. Solar cells are a form of photoelectric cells defined as a device whose electrical characteristics, such as current, voltage, or resistance, vary when exposed to light. Individual solar cells can be combined to form modules, commonly known as solar panels. The common single junction silicon solar cell can produce a maximum open circuit voltage of approximately 0.5 to 0.6 volts. By itself is not much, but remember these solar cells are tiny. When combined into a large solar panel, considerable amount of renewable energy can be generated. So we have to discuss about the construction of solar cell. A solar cell basically a junction diode. Although its construction it is a little bit different from conventional PN junction diodes. A very thin layer of p-type semiconductor is grown on a relative thicker n-type semiconductor. We then apply a few finer electrodes on the top of the p-type semiconductor layer. These electrodes do not obstruct light to reach the thin p-type layer. Just below the p-type layer, there is a p-n junction. We also provide a current collecting electrode at the bottom of and the n-type layer. We encapsulate the entire assembly by thin glass to protect the solar cell from a mechanical shock. You can see here is a photon electron hole. This is a p-type depletion zone, n-type. This is a front electrical contact, back electrical contact, photon. This yellow one is photon, black one is electron, and red one was electron hole recombination, which is black and red. Red are the holes. So we have to see how solar cell works. So when light reaches a PN junction, the light photons can easily enter in the junction through the very thin layer, which is PN type layer. The light energy in the form of photons supplies sufficient energy to the junction to create a number of electron hole pairs. So similarly, new created, this is the characteristics of a photovoltaic cell. Short circuit current, open circuit current, maximum power point is on the middle of this thing. Uh, Four things used in a solar cell, which is silicon, germanium, and CDT, CUI, and C. What is a criteria which is used to be in solar cell? Must have band gap from 1 electron volt to 1.8 electron volt. It must have high optical absorption. It must have high electrical conductivity. The raw material must be available in abundance and the cost of the material must be low. Advantages of solar cell are no pollution associated with it. It must last for a long time. No maintenance cost. It has higher disadvantages are like it has high cost of installation, low efficiency, and that when it is a cloudy day, energy cannot be produced. And also at night, we will not get solar energy because there is no sunshine. Use of solar generation system used in charge batteries, light meters, calculators, wristwatches, spacecraft to provide electrical energy. At the end of this week, I can say solar cell has some disadvantages associated, but the disadvantages are expected to overcome as the technology advance. Since the technology advancing, The cost of solar plates as well as the installation cost will decrease down so that everybody can afford to install the system. Furthermore, the government is laying much emphasis on the solar energy. So after some years, we may expect that every household and also every electrical system is powered by solar or the renewable energy source. Hmm, this is all from my side.